Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the Reaper's abilities and how you can basically get it in Grow Garden. To obtain it, you'll need to purchase it from the Halloween market. I think it costs 140 candy corns, sorry. And its trait is that reap what you sow. Every 22 to 12 minutes, sacrifices 4 fruit in the player's garden to apply a medium passive boost or a medium XP boost to a random pet in the player's garden. And for some unknown reason, whenever the Reaper is in stock, the Poison Apple and Skull Chain would also be in stock as well. I think it is true because when I was going to buy this, I thought I didn't already... What am I trying to say? Well, for instance, I tried to buy this again yesterday because I thought I didn't have the Reaper, but it turns out I did. So, and well, thankfully I didn't buy it, but then I saw that the Poison Apple was in stock as well. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.